How to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can read Snapchat messages without them knowing. Well, it's pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you. First, open up the app and log into your ID. You must get an interface like this. Now, you can go to your messages by tapping on the message icon on the bottom of your screen. And once here, now if you want to read a particular message, now suppose I want to read the friend Senorita's message. Now all you need to do is tap on the profile or the Bitmoji icon of the person, tap and just swipe from left to right. Now don't leave your fingers particularly, but just read messages from here. Once you think that you have read it, just swipe to your left again. So this way you can read Snapchat messages without them knowing. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.